Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a drop-down list in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab, and then you want to go down and select where it says Drop-down. At this point, go ahead and select a new drop-down. And then you can name the drop-down whatever you want, so like the particular name of the option. So if you want to say favorite color, for example, and now we can customize the options here as well as assigning a different color if you choose to do so. You can even add a custom hex or RGB code as well. So you could say blue, for example, could be one color. Then you could say red and yellow. And you can do green. And then you can do green. You can add additional options as well as removing ones from the drop-down list. So by default, they put 4 in here. You can also move them around in different orders if you choose to do so, and then select Save. Now at this point, you should have a drop-down in here that you can go ahead and actually select different options again from this drop-down list. And we see our template name is saved as favorite color in here. So if we were to go and look at our existing templates, you go underneath Insert, drop down, and you can view existing drop downs you already have. So like favorite color, for example, you already have a drop down present in here. And that's pretty much it. If you want to do surveys and other questionnaires, that's not what the drop down is for. It's just merely if you want to have a drop down option selection here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.